Many a time we get confused in using the words little, a little, and the little. What is the difference among these words? Little, a little, and the little are quantifiers. Quantifier means a word or number. They are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable noun refers to the things that are seen as a whole. Some examples of uncountable nouns are water, thunder, sugar, information, advice, etc. The main difference between little and a little can be understood very easily. Little refers to hardly any or not much, whereas a little refers to some or small enough. We use little when we have only a very small amount that is hardly enough. For example, imagine that your friend is suggesting to watch a movie, but you don't have enough money to cover the expenses of it. You can use the word little in this instance. Examples: I'm sorry, but I have little money means I have hardly enough money. One more example: I speak little English means not enough English. Third example: there is little hope of his recovery means he is not likely to recover. Now we use a little. How do we use a little? And what is the meaning of a little? When we are talking about a small amount that is enough to do something only, it means some but less amount. For example, imagine that your friend is asking for a loan. You only have a small amount of money, but it is not enough. What do you say? I have a little money, I can give it to you. Means you have a small amount of money and you can give it to him. She ate a little bread and her hunger vanished. What does it mean? She ate a small piece of bread and her hunger vanished with that. I save a little money. I save a little money every month means you save a small amount of money every month. One more example can be understood in this way: a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. What does it mean? The less amount of knowledge is always dangerous. Now we are going to learn the little. The little is used in the sense of not much, but all there is. If you say I gave all the money I have means I have some amount but I gave all the money. Therefore, in a nutshell, all these words can be understood in this way. Little means not much. Generally, it is used in negative way. A little means some. Generally, it is used in positive way. The little means small amount but all that is there. These are followed by a noun with that after it, explicitly stated or implied.